Hi there! We are the two amoebas behind our YouTube channel, the Amoeba Sisters. I'm Pinky, a former high school biology teacher, and this is my sister, Petunia, a self-taught cartoonist with a developing fascination for science. Together, we are two sisters on a mission to demystify science with humor and relevance. And right now, you are visiting our Amoeba Sisters Learning playlist. You'll find all of our biology videos in this playlist in their suggested sequence. So, what makes our videos unique? First, we find science can be memorable with comics and cartoons, so that's the type of video style we have going. Second, our videos tend to be short, generally under 10 minutes. Obviously, we can't cover all the fascinating details and exceptions in that time frame. Instead, our videos are a foundation for you to explore beyond. In our learning playlist, you can view learning objectives to determine whether our videos are a good fit for what you are studying. Expand this video's details for more info. This learning playlist will also save your progress as you go through the videos. You may also enjoy our video resources and creations on our website. Subscribe to our channel to find out when we've uploaded a new video, and follow us on social media for new updates. This makes us the happiest of amoebas and keeps us motivated to keep going. Well, that's it for the Amoeba Sisters, and we remind you to stay curious.